going on YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. So, y'all see it, man. A nice big BAWS unboxing, born a while sold. Y'all already know what time it is, man. If y'all new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy DaRetroWizKid. We on the grind to 2,000 subscribers, y'all. Make sure y'all ring that notification bell. That way y'all miss any of the content I put out on the channel. Let's try to get this video up to 25 thumbs up. And drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think about the new BAWS gear that I done got. So, new box in from BAWS, y'all. Let's get it up. Halfway there, so it looks like they put a box inside of a box and take the top. So,
one eternity later.
First things first, y'all. I got a little glimpse at this stuff just now as I was opening it. So, hey, we're gonna start with the dad hats, y'all. So we got some new dad hats in. Okay, fresh. We got a new dad hat in with the blue bear. Some Laney type effect to it. Laney 5s, they already know. I rock out with Golden State. So, you know, had to get it. You already know how we rock, man. This is Fuego. You feel me? Mess with that distressed look, man. We got the distressed dad hat, and it's like a denim, a black denim, y'all. I don't know if y'all can, yeah, it's coming in black. It's like a black denim, y'all. Y'all know I rock with the BAWS dad hats to the fullest. So we got the black with the blue. Right here, we got the blue with the camo. Now let's get into some hoodies, y'all. First hoodie I'm gonna show y'all right here. We got the gray hoodie. Very good material, and as you see, these are perfect to go with, you know, anything really. It's perfect to go with anything, but y'all know this is like an aqua color, so you can rock this with your aqua 8s. You can rock this with your grape 5s. You can rock this with anything, all white forces. You know, this is a very dope hoodie. I like this one right here. This hoodie goes perfect, and I mean perfect. If you own RAPTOR 7s, RAPTOR 4s, bada bing, bada bam, you got that nice hoodie to go with them Raptors, man. This is a dope hoodie right here, man. Can't wait for all my stuff to get here, because I'm going to be pulling that out with the Raptors, y'all. Both pair, not just one. Now the last one, y'all. Let me go ahead and grab this kick real quick for y'all. Alright, y'all, so the last hoodie that we got in, y'all, it goes perfect with them zebras. Now, I must agree with what Bullet RC said. A lot of Bullet RC was talking about how people was in his comment section saying, oh, you bought all them bricks. Now listen, y'all, just like he said, when this zebra dropped the first time, everybody wanted it. It was limited. People was going crazy because they wanted to get it. Resale was high for it. Now that they dropped again, and you know, they gave it to everybody, you know what I'm saying? You get it easy, you get it easy, you get it easy. Y'all mad. But that's besides the point. I'm just glad I got to get me a pair of the Zebra Yeezys and got the perfect hoodie to go with it. We got the BAWS Jason mask. You know, this will go perfect with these, and just throw on some type of jeans, some type of, you know, anything on there. But right there, man, there you have it, man. That's the last hoodie right there. So we got 3 hoodies with 3 hats, and bam, there it is, y'all. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if y'all have not yet. Ring that notification bell for your boy DaRetroWizKid. Drop a comment below. Let me know if y'all shop BAWS. And if y'all haven't yet, y'all can go ahead, shop BAWS X Gear 101 with my code WIZKID on your next purchase, y'all. And you know what I'm saying? Since I always be like, you know, I got the shoe in my hand. So it's your boy DaRetroWizKid, man. I catch y'all in the next video. It is.